The Draw tab on the menu bar is for creating more creative spreadsheets. Once you've inserted data onto the sheet, you can manipulate it in multiple ways. The first section is the Tools section, which allows you to draw, erase, and create a lasso effect. The next section is Pens, which allows you to use various styles and colors of pens and highlighters. The next section is Convert, where you can transform the ink on your spreadsheet into shapes and math equations. The last section is Replay, which will allow you to replay the animations you've created. The Page Layout tab provides all the necessary formatting features for the current sheet or page you're working on. The Themes section allows you to create new themes for your spreadsheet, change the colors and fonts, and create effects. The Page Setup section will allow you to change the page margins, its orientation, and size. You can also create page breaks and print according to available options. The Scale to Fit section allows you to format the page where the data appears according to your desired specifications, so that it's presented in a way that is attractive to your desired audience. The Sheet Options section allows you to perform many functions affecting the appearance of the sheet, with the main two allowing you to hide or reveal grid lines or headings on the spreadsheet. The Arrange section allows you to arrange objects and data on the sheet by moving it in front of other objects, behind other objects, and so forth. The Formulas tab is a very important tab when working with numerical data. The Insert Functions section allows you to insert functions that will allow the spreadsheet to perform calculations on a temporary or permanent basis. We will learn more about cell calculations in a future lesson. The Functions library is a library of tools at your command to manipulate your data according to the necessary specifications. Use this feature to handle the simplest to the most complex operations. The Define Names section allows you to define names in the spreadsheet and modify the data. The Formula Auditing section is for analyzing, manipulating, checking, and evaluating formulas, among other things. The Watch Window section allows you to add cells to the window to keep an eye on their value as you update other parts of the sheet. And the Calculations section allows you to perform calculations in the cells automatically or manually. The Data tab allows you to perform intermediate to advanced functions when working with data in your spreadsheet. The Get and Transform Data section allows you to get data from other sources and insert it into your spreadsheet to manipulate it accordingly. The Queries and Connections section allows you to view and manage the queries and connections in the workbook. The Data Types section allows you to convert information in the cell to receive additional information such as information on stocks and geography. The Sort and Filter section allows you to sort and filter data, performing the simplest of actions to the most complex. Data Tools section is useful for manipulating cells, columns, and tables. The Forecast section is used for projections, especially useful when creating reports on company activity. And the Outline section allows you to group or ungroup rows or columns and to quickly calculate rows of related data. The Review tab is useful for all of your viewing and editing needs for the content displayed on your spreadsheet. The Proofing section allows you to spell check your document, find synonyms for selected words, and even perform automatic calculations for selected cells. The Accessibility section makes sure your spreadsheet is easily accessible to the person viewing it when you decide to send it. Insights section allows you to see more about the text you select by providing definitions, images, and other results from online sources. The Language section allows you to translate the selected text into a different language. The Comments section allows you to add a comment, delete a comment, and view previously written comments. The Notes section allows you to take notes within the spreadsheet. The Protect section allows you to add extra security features to the sheet, such as preventing the spreadsheet to be unchanged after you inserted your data. And the Ink section allows you to hide all of ink in your spreadsheet. Clicking the View tab allows you to view your spreadsheet in multiple ways. The Workbook Views section allows you to see how your sheet looks in normal view, give you a preview of when the page will break, show you the layout of your sheet before printing, and other custom views. The Show section is where you can select or deselect to view the ruler, formula bar, grid lines, or headings. The Zoom section allows you to zoom in or out of your current sheet. The Windows section has a variety of options, some of which you can create a new window, split the window, or view two windows side by side. Switch Windows section allows you to switch between the spreadsheets you are working on. And Macros section allows you to view, record, or pause a macro. The Help tab is what you will click on if you need assistance with your current worksheet or the application in general. The Help section allows you to ask for help, contact support, leave feedback, see a training, and find out what's new with the application. The Community section allows you to interact with others who are familiar with or utilizing the Excel application. The Acrobat tab is what you will click on if you want to create and manipulate PDF documents. You can share the PDF documents, send for review, and perform various actions. As we wrap up this lesson, consider the following questions. Why is the menu bar important? If I wanted to zoom in or zoom out of my spreadsheet, which tab would I click on?